Hello kids! Have a great day! So, meron po tayo ditong reviewer na nagawa para sa mga mag-aaral sa grade 5. Ito po ay ang Science 5 na kung saan ang mga lesson po dito ay nakuha sa lesson natin sa 4th quarter ng Science 5. So, hoping na ito ay makakatulong sa inyong pagre-review sa mga lesson natin sa science. So, handa na ba kayo kids na malaman ang mga tanong? Okay, very good. So, let's go to number 1. So, first question is, weathering breaks down rocks. What is the beneficial effect of weathering? A. Weathering helps in forming crude oil in rock layers. B. Weathering carries water to streams and oceans. C. Weathering helps in forming soil on the surface of the earth. D. Weathering helps in forming fossil. So the answer is letter C. Next. Plants serves as agents of weathering. Which of the following statements support this idea? A. Falling of leaves cause rocks to break. B. Decaying trunks of plants cause the rocks to break. C. Branches of plants cause the rock to break when blown by the winds. D. Root of plants that grow in rocks and cause them to break. The answer is letter D. Next. Which of the following activities of human contributes to the weathering of rocks? It is an activity of human that contributes to the weathering of rocks. A. Mining. B. Illegal fishing. C. Kaingin system. D. Planting. Okay. So our answer is letter A. Mining. Next. The following human activities are cause of physical weathering except A. Acidic water in the river. B. Building roads and tunnels. C. Mining ores. D. Boating and fishing. Physical weathering. Okay. Our answer is letter A. What are the factors that help shape Earth's surface? What are the factors that help shape Earth's surface? A. Erosion and land. B. Weathering and typhoon. C. Erosion and weathering. D. Deforestation and reforestation. Based on our picture. So the answer is letter C. Next. What do we call the process that helps shape the Earth's surface? A. Weathering. B. Contour plowing. C. Terracing. D. Strip cropping. So the answer is letter A. Weathering. Next. Which of the following shows that soil erosion is caused by wind? Soil erosion is caused by wind. A. Ashes and dust near Mount Mayon. B. Pile of soil in the river. C. Muddy water in the field. D. Sandstorm. Okay, our answer is letter D. It's a sandstorm. Okay. Next. All of these are causes of soil erosion except one. A. Fire. B. Human and animal activities. C. Wind. D. Water. Except one that causes soil erosion. Our answer is letter A. Fire. Next, how can you help in restoring our denuded forest to help control soil erosion? How can you help in restoring our denuded forest to help control soil erosion? A. By awakening people towards logging. B. By understanding them the importance of forests by telling them the truth, facts that will happen when all trees are cut down. C. By telling the community to cut all the trees around. D. By campaigning the kaingin system to sustain their daily needs. Correct answer is letter B. Next. The process that moves sediment is called blank. A. Erosion. B. Fracture. C. Dissolution. D. Weathering. Okay, it is erosion. Next. What makes the water muddy after a heavy rain? A. The fine dust particles dissolve in water. B. The pebbles move along with water. C. The gravel and sand carried by the water. D. The rainwater turn brown in color. Okay, it's letter A. Next. How do forests play a vital role in controlling soil erosion? A. Trees and plants in the forest weaken the topmost layer of soil. B. Trees and plants have a weak root which cannot bind the soil to absorb water and mineral. C. Trees and plants' roots action of continually growing underground and tightly holding the soil. D. Trees and plants' roots release more water that causes erosion. Okay, the answer is C. It holds the roots of the trees holds the water. Okay. Next. Your neighbor's work is to cut trees in the forest and you want to save our forest. What are you going to do? A. Inform it to DepEd office. B. Inform it to DENR office. C. Inform it to the PhilVox office. D. Inform it to BFP. So the correct answer is letter B. We're going to inform it to the DENR office. Next. Landslide on mountain slopes show the force of blank. Landslide on mountain slopes show the force of blank. A. Runoff. B. Gravity. C. Running water. D. Wind. The correct answer is gravity. When caught in a thunderstorm in an open field, what is the best thing to do? A. Run for cover under the nearest tree. B. Lie down on the ground. C. Crouch down as low as possible while minimizing contact with the ground. D. Remove all metal objects from your body. When you are in the field and there is a thunderstorm, what will you do? It's letter D. If storm signal number 4 is raised, the speed of the wind is at least A. 85 km per hour. B. 100 km per hour. C. 120 km per hour. D. 186 km per hour. So the correct answer is letter D. It is the abnormal rising of water level resulting from a typhoon. A. High tide. B. Storm surge. C. Tornado. D. Tsunami. a rising of water level resulting from a typhoon? The answer is storm surge. Which best describe a storm surge? A. It is the expansion of the hurricane's characterized eye. B. It is an onshore rush of water associated with a low-pressure weather system. C. It is a sudden and rapid increase of the intensity of a storm. D. It is the breaking watersheds along coastal area. The answer is letter B. Why is the only positive outcome of typhoon? Which is the only positive outcome of typhoons? A. It removed pollutants from the air. B. It removed trash from rivers. C. It caused flooding. D. It filled up dams and replenished water supply. The answer is letter D. Which of the following is the effect of very strong winds of public storm signal number 4 to transportation system? A. We are talking about the transportation system during public storm signal number 4. A. It is unsafe to travel both in air and sea. B. Travel by sea is allowed but not in air. C. Travel by air is allowed but not in sea. D. The eye of the typhoon is over the town. Okay, it is letter A. Before a typhoon comes, what kind of foods should we store? When a typhoon comes, what kind of foods should we store? A. Canned goods and liquor. B. Fresh meat, vegetable, and fruits. C. Foods that are easy to prepare. D. Foods that do not need cooking. Okay, letter D. Which of the following reason why you are generally safe inside a car during a lightning storm? You are safe inside a car during a lightning storm. A. The metal car body will carry the lightning current around the passenger inside. B. Metal cars do not become electrically charged. C. The rubber tires insulate you from the ground. D. The car's radio antenna will act as a lightning rod. The answer is letter A. Why is it important to know about the weather every day? A. To prepare and to take necessary precaution. B. To minimize loss of lives and property. C. To check and fix house in case of strong wind. D. To create a video every day about the weather condition. Okay, it's letter A. Next. Why is the moon considered a satellite of Earth? A. It affects the tides on Earth. B. It keeps Earth on its orbit. C. It orbits Earth. D. It pulls earthward on it. So the answer is letter C. What happens to the moon during waxing phase? A. The moon seems to be growing. B. The moon seems to be getting smaller. C. The moon seems to be disintegrating. D. The moon seems to be disappearing. It happens to the moon during waxing phase. What do you think is the answer? Okay, it's letter A. Which shows the correct sequence of the moon phases? A. Gibbous moon, crescent moon, new moon, full moon, half moon. B. New moon, crescent moon, half moon, quarter moon, full moon. C. New moon, full moon, half moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon. D. New moon, gibbous moon, full moon, crescent moon, half moon. Okay, the answer is letter B. Next, you see the moon appears differently at different times. Why does the appearance of the moon change from time to time? A. It is because the illuminated portion of the moon changes as it moves around the sun. B. It is because the illuminated portion of the moon changes as it moves around the earth. C. It is because the illuminated portion of the moon changes as it moves around the solar system. D. It is because the illuminated portion of the moon changes as it moves around. The answer is letter B. Which statement is true about stars? A. Big Dipper and Little Dipper are examples of constellations. B. Constellations help navigators whenever they are lost in the sea. C. Orion consists of 5 stars that seem to form letter W. D. Stars do not move. The answer is letter B. The nearest star to the Earth is Andromeda, Orion, Polaris, Sun. Okay, it's the Sun. The color of the star is related to its blank. The color of the star is related to its blank. A. Energy. B. Size and temperature. C. Shape and size. D. Size. Answer is size and temperature. What is the largest constellation? A. Andromeda. B. Orion. C. The Crux. D. Cygnus. The answer is Andromeda. Okay? So, good luck kids to your exam. Hoping this gives helps. Nakakatulong ito sa inyong pag-test sa 4th grading, sa 4th periodical test. Good luck!